with a volcano.
Volcano!
Hey.
Are you excited?
Yeah, volcano, Sam.
So we're gonna make a volcano, okay?
Me up, make it, kiddo.
Okay, so first we have to fill up the cup with the chemicals. Okay, so kids, use a parent.
Looks coming.
It's coming, okay? So now that that's done, we're gonna make the volcano, okay? Okay.
Okay? Fight? High five.
You like it? Alright, now we're gonna put the
Faster, faster, faster.
faster.
Ew! Faster, faster. Papa, faster. Faster, faster, faster. Ew.
Alright, now we color it. Baking soda.
Baking soda. Let me help you. Let me put it for you.
Wait.
Wow.
Ready? Goggles? Ready? Put it on. Got it? See what it is. You see it?